Hello everyone. After we got to know in the previous video how to download Windows Server 2022, and we also learned about the installation method. In this video, I show you some very important steps after the installation, which is how to configure static IP address, and it is how to put the static IP address on the server. An easiest way to set a static IP address on the server is to open the Server Manager dashboard, and then click Local Server on the right. Then, on the right side you will find Ethernet. Click it. It will direct you directly to the network card. After that, right-click on Ethernet, and click Properties. In Ethernet Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, and click the Properties button. Then, in Internet Protocol version 4 Properties, set static IP address, and set your gateway and other details, and click OK. Then press the Close button. This completes the static IP address configuration. The second step, which is very important, is how to configure automatic updates on Windows Server 2022, and I will do that through group policy. To configure automatic updates on Windows Server 2022, open the Run box, and type gpedit.msc, and click the OK button. Then, go to the path shown in front of you on the screen. Computer Configuration, then Administrative Template, then Windows Components, and under it look for Windows Update. Then go to the right side, and search for Configure Automatic Updates, and open it. From here you can configure your desired Windows Update settings. Automatic updates are not configured by default. Choose the Disable option to disable automatic updates. If you need to enable the service, select Enable, and choose one of the available group policy settings, which is the first is Notify for Download and Notify for Install, where Windows Server 2022 finds updates that apply to that server, and users will be notified that the updates are ready for download. In the Windows Update settings, users can download and install any available updates. The next option is Auto Download and Notify for Install, where Windows Server 2022 finds updates that apply to the server, and downloads them in the background. When the downloads are complete, users will be notified that they are ready to install. In Windows Update settings, users can install them. The next option is Auto Download and Schedule the Install, where Windows Server automatically downloads and installs updates according to the specified schedule. Specify the schedule using the options in the group policy setting. If no schedule is specified, the default schedule for all installations is every day at 3 AM. If any updates require a restart to complete the installation, Windows will restart your computer automatically. The next option is Allow Local Admin to choose a setting. This option allows local administrators to specify the configuration mode in which automatic updates should notify and install updates. In this option, it will allow local administrators to use the Windows Update control panel to select a configuration option of their choice. Local administrators will not be allowed to disable the automatic updates configuration. And whatever the option that will be selected, you can make a schedule by choosing the dates of the updates, whether they are every day, every week, or every month, according to what you want as an administrator. Configure the Windows Update settings that you want, then click the Apply button, then the OK button, and thus you will select the configuration and how to make server updates. And the last important step in today's video is how to change the server name, and it is considered one of the most important steps that must be taken to change the server name. First, open the Server Manager dashboard, and then click on Local Server on the left. Then look to the right. You will find the name of the computer. Click it. The System Properties window will open. Click the Change button in front of Rename this computer. Then, type the server name in the computer name field. Then click the OK button. You will be asked to restart the server. In order to save the new changes, you can now safely restart the server. I hope the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.